Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy a Penthouse on GTA Online. If you guys have sufficient money and you want to buy a Penthouse, all you have to do is just take out your phone pressing the scroll button on your mouse. As your phone pops up, go with the option Internet and click it. And after that, go with the option Money and Services and click on it. And after that, you can see at the first the Diamond Casino and Resort.com. Just click it there. And go for the option, the penthouses you can see right here and just click on there. Either you can get your own design or high roller or grass pad or the party penthouse. Select any of those you want. And after that also, you can change your floor plan, colors, patterns, bar, spa, lawns area, even the barber. So after you select all of those, all you have to do is go in the option buy now and just click on it. So guys, that's how you buy a penthouse on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.